Marush, everything is corrupt now. Everything is corrupt, even in church. When you go to church, everything is corrupt now. Mina, I'm from a church lapha okungangeni khona ama-coins. No, kufunakala imali ephepha kuphela. My pastor washo wasitshela wathi esheshe akawungeni ama-coins cause ungaba ledlozi lobuya ngoJesu kabuye. Seriously, e-church yami akuvunyelwa ama-coins cause nxa lingena upastor emnyango ebethula umasigine yabeli freska sothela lama-coins. And yena any verse ayibona i-right kuye la ku-congregation kumele ibe right. Cause last week Sunday, I was like, uJacobe wagada isihlahla. And the congregation was like, hayi mfundisi, uZakhewu ngiyagada isihlahla. Ngithi hallelujah bazalwane, uJacobe wagada isihlahla. Hayi mfundisi, uZakhewu wagada isihlahla. Hallelujah bazalwane, lingaphikiswa umuntu omazi uJacobe wagada isihlahla. Hayi mfundisi, uZakhewu wagada isihlahla. And the pastor got pissed off, I was like, khaza zingane sesiphikisana. Yehla ke wena Jacobe qansa Zakhewu sifuna ukuthi uzayenzana okungcono.